Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will create an awesome aggressive cinematic title intro in Filmora 12. So let's start today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do hit the like button and comment your views. If you need more cinematic title intros, do let me know in comment section. First let's see how I created these titles. Add quick 3D text, then change font to any bold font. Select Lava 3D text preset, then enter your word. Click on Advanced and change font size and increase text spacing. You can use it as it is or you can take a snapshot and use it. I personally prefer to use snapshot as I can apply effects and do color correction on it. Now go to the audio and add cinematic music. Then drop background on track 1 and reduce its duration and keep it just right before the first beat on audio. Now at start, set scale to 120 on scale keyframe and after 16 frames change scale to 100. Then apply flicker light clip, adjust the duration, then change the blend mode to screen and adjust the opacity accordingly. Then apply smoke and particle clip on track 3. Change blend mode to lighten. At start, set opacity to 0. Then after 15 frames, set opacity to 57. Then apply your text or snapshot on track 4. At start, set scale to 120 and on scale keyframe. Then after 20 frames, set scale to 112 and then at the end change scale to 102. Then go to the mask, select circle mask. At start, set mask scale to 1, width to 30, height to 26 and blur to 45. Then after 12 frames, set mask scale to 37. Then at 2 seconds change mask scale to 91. Then go to the effects and apply dream glow effect on snapshot. Change color to orange and glow to 52. Again apply dream glow, change color to red and glow to 20. Apply one more time, this time change color to black, increase glow and blur to add fake shadow. Now apply text flare on track 5, adjust the duration, change blend mode to screen, change scale to 239, place the playhead at start, on scale keyframe, go 7 frames further, change scale to 165 and adjust the y-axis position. Then drop the top flare on track 6, change scale to 159, change blend mode to screen, then go to the color, then to curve and increase red curve towards the red side and blue curve towards the yellow side so that we can match the color with text flare. Then go to the effects and apply sharpen effect, change strength to 55, then apply S-Lock 3 effect, change opacity accordingly, then apply cinematic bar and change bar height to 0.05, then apply auto enhance effect. Now copy all the clips and paste them further. To replace the snapshot without disturbing the current setting, press and hold Alt key and drop the new snapshot on current snapshot. Then adjust the text flare position. In same way, copy and paste further and set duration according to the beat. Then add one track above text layer. If you want to use this shockwave, you can use it one layer above or below to your text. To change the color of flare, apply dream glow effect, change the temperature and curves. Try multiple dream glow effect to get the desired result. Now let's render it to see the preview. Now if you don't want to use shockwave, simply hide the track and render it again to see the final preview. That's it guys, this is how you can create cinematic title intro in Filmora 12 easily. If you need more tutorials on cinematic title intros, do let me know. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.